almost forgot the pimple patches. Hey loves, welcome back to my channel, Thoughts with Trisha, and today I'm going to show you how to get the look from this week's video, Love in the Suburbs, what happens when we're 30. You're seeing it, I'm seeing it, so let's talk about it. Okay, so as always, we're going to start off with our Anastasia brow kit, and I'm just going to go ahead and get into the structure and everything as per usual. All the products will be in the description box below. So as you can see, the eyebrow structure is finished, and now we're going to go in with concealer. So a tip that I didn't really mention in our last Get the Look video is whenever I want to remove all the product off of a brush that I'm using, I'll grab like a little baby wipe or flushable washcloth, and I'll just go ahead and rub off the excess product, so that way I don't have to worry about smudging the look that I've already created. Went ahead and blended with our little finger Morphe sponge. I got it from Ulta. I love it so much, and I just do that so that the concealer blends in with the foundation a lot better. You don't necessarily have to do that because eventually it all will mix together, but I just find that this makes it a more smooth look. You feel me? Now we're going to take our Fix It Prep and Prime Spray by MAC, and we're going to prep our skin for our foundation and concealer. When I tell you this feels like heaven, 10 out of 10 recommend. Okay, now we're going to go in with our next Juvia's Place product. Once again, I didn't really get to show this in my last video because of our technical difficulties, but this is my foundation that I use. It has this applicator, which I absolutely love. It makes putting on the foundation so easy. I have the shade number 5 for my skin. Absolutely love it. 10 out of 10 recommend. Now we're going to go ahead and take our foundation brush and blend, baby. Now we're going to go back in with our concealer, and we're going to put it on the high points of our face that we want to highlight. Now it is good to let your concealer sit for a little bit, but I like certain parts to stay more pigmented than others. So I will start blending the center of my face, and then I will do my cheeks last. And usually by the time I get to them, it's a good consistency. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and we're going to contour / bronze our skin now that we've highlighted it to just give us a little bit more shape. So I'm going to go in with my Warm Up Bronzer by True Fragrance Plus Beauty. And I just kind of mix these two at the top up here, and then I'll use these bottom two for my highlight if necessary. I like to put my blush on first, so we'll get to that step later to see if I actually want it. Now we're going to go in with our blush, also from Juvia's Place, and I believe it is the color Marigold Glow. That's the color that we're using. It's a liquid blush. I absolutely love it. Go ahead and let me swatch. Huh? Watch me put it on. Okay, so now that we've done our blush, we're going to go ahead and with our highlight from the same contour palette that I showed earlier, and we're just going to highlight the tops of our cheekbones. We're going to take our fan brush, do a little swipe swipe, and same motion at the top of our cheekbone. Do the same on this side. I don't really need to add too much just because my blush is already doing wonders, but I just like to add it to the high points of my face so that we sparkle. Now we're going to move on to our eyeshadow using our Rick and Morty palette like I used last week. Today we're going to be going for a pink look, so I'm going to go ahead and choose from these 4 pink shadows today. We're going to go ahead and take this hot pink color, and I'm just going to go in our outer corner. I kind of want to play a little bit with the purple here, but we'll get to that in a second. Now we're going to take that purple shade that I showed you, and we're going to put a little bit of it just in our inner corner. We're really not trying to blend it out as big as the pink, but we want to have like a little color play going on here. Now we're going to go ahead and take our concealer, and we're going to cut out a lid, a new lid I suppose, that's what we're going to call it, for this look. So we are going to take this darker pink shadow shimmer, and we're going to put it on our main lid, and then we're going to take this slightly lighter shade and we're going to put it in our inner corner. Okay, this is the eye look, and now we're going to go ahead and add some mascara to top it all off and setting spray. Alright, now we're just going to add lip gloss, and the look is done. Thank you for tuning into today's video. I really hope you enjoyed the look. Please go check out this week's edition of Love in the Suburbs, What Happens number 30. I'll see you guys later. You saw it, I saw it, and we talked about it.